Step by step. Fix not receiving texts at all. Works for Android and iPhone. Follow these in order. Easiest fixes first. I'll cover both Android and iPhone where the steps differ. Don't skip the SIM device swap test, step 6. It isolates whether the problem is the phone or the carrier. Quick checklist. Try these first. Restart the phone. Toggle airplane mode on, wait 10s, turn it off. Make sure you have cellular signal, bars. Ask someone to send you a plain SMS, not MMS, not group, as a test. If you recently switched from iPhone, Android deregister iMessage Apple's site, so messages aren't stuck as iMessage. Swap SIM into another unlocked phone and try a different SIM in your phone to isolate carrier versus device. If none of that works, try the full steps below. Detailed steps, follow in order. 1. Basic checks, applies to every phone. Confirm your phone number is correct for the sender. Check date and time, set to automatic and network time. Wrong time can break secure services. Make sure your account with the carrier is active and not suspended for billing. 2. Restart and network refresh. Restart phone, long press power, restart. Toggle airplane mode on, settings or quick tile. Wait approximately 10s, then off. Check that you see carrier name and signal bars. 3. Check blocked numbers, filters, do not disturb iPhone, settings, messages, blocked contacts or settings, phone, blocked contacts. Also settings, messages, filter unknown senders, toggle off while testing. Also check focus, do not disturb is off. Android, stock/Pixel/Samsung. Messages app, settings, spam and blocked or conversations, blocked numbers. Also check phone wide, do not disturb, focus is off. Some carriers' apps have spam filters. Check the Messages app's spam folder. 4. Confirm default SMS app and message settings, Android settings, apps, default apps, SMS app. Ensure your messaging app is set as default. For example, Google Messages, Samsung Messages. Messages app, settings, advanced. Ensure auto-retrieve MMS. Enable MMS is on if you expect MMS. 5. Clear app cache, data, Android, and check storage. Android settings, apps, messages, storage, clear cache. If that doesn't help, clear data. Warning, this may delete local message history, backup first. iPhone settings, general, iPhone storage, messages. Offload or delete large conversations if storage is full. 6. SIM swap test, most useful. Power off. Remove SIM and put it into a different unlocked phone. Ask someone to send you an SMS. If the other phone receives text, problem is with your original phone, software/settings/hardware. If the other phone doesn't receive text, problem is with the SIM/account/carrier provisioning. Contact carrier. Also try putting a different working SIM in your phone. If that SIM receives messages, your SIM account is the issue. 7. Reset network and messaging settings, iPhone, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. You'll need to rejoin Wi-Fi. Android, settings, system, advanced, reset options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, path names vary by manufacturer. After reset, restart and test. 8. Safe mode, Android. Rule out third-party app interference, boot to safe mode, usually long press power off until reboot to safe mode appears, or power off then press and hold volume down during boot. While in safe mode, ask someone to send a test SMS. If SMS arrives in safe mode, a third-party app is blocking messages. Uninstall recently installed apps or apps that manage SMS spam. 9. iMessage carrier handoff issues if you used iPhone before. If you moved from iPhone to Android and didn't turn off iMessage, texts from iPhone users may still go to iMessage and never reach your Android. Deregister iMessage via Apple's deregistration page or put your SIM back in the iPhone and turn off iMessage settings, messages, toggle iMessage off. If you don't have the iPhone, Apple provides an online deregistration tool. An APN, MMS, SMSC and provisioning, carrier side settings. If MMS or group messages fail, the APN settings on the phone might be wrong. APN is carrier specific. The carrier can provide correct APN and push it to you. SMSC, SMS Service Center. Misconfiguration can stop SMS delivery. Carriers can check and reprogram SMSC and provisioning. What to tell your carrier if you need to call, chat them. When you contact support, give them your phone number and account holder name. your phone model and IMEI, settings, about phone. SIM IXEID, settings, about or printed on SIM. Clear description. I receive no SMS messages at all and list exact symptoms. No messages from any sender, cannot receive test SMS, but can make calls, data works. Steps you already tried. Restart, SIM swap, reset network, safe mode. Ask them to check whether your SMS service is provisioned and not blocked. Verify SMSC and provisioning on their network. Check for any account blocks or spam filtering rules. Offer a replacement SIM. They can often re-provision your line to a new SIM. Advanced. Last resorts backup your data. Google Backup, iCloud. Factory reset phone, settings, system general, reset, erase all content and settings. Only after confirming backups and trying carrier steps. Replace SIM, common fix if SIM is faulty. If still unresolved, escalate to carrier's technical team. Sometimes number porting or provisioning glitches must be fixed on their systems. Quick diagnostic summary to run now. Restart phone, airplane on, off. Ask a friend to send a single plain SMS. Put your SIM in another phone. Put a different SIM in your phone. If SIM works in other phone, contact carrier. If SIM works in your phone with different SIM, fix phone, reset network, factory reset. If you want, tell me which phone model and carrier, and I'll give the exact menu taps and the most likely carrier-specific fixes. Otherwise, the steps above are what technicians use to isolate and resolve not receiving SMS issues.